Guys, naka-receive tayo ng bagong package from our friends from Wanbo. And this one is the all-new Wanbo T2 Max. And alam natin no, that we have reviewed the Wanbo T2 Max before, and this one is the 2023 variant. It has a lot of improvements over the last one. Probably nakinig sila sa mga kanyang mga customer, no? Making this one a little bit better compared to the last one. So how better is better? Malalaman natin after we unbox this and try it out ourselves. So hi guys, I'm Rich from the Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. So this is Wanbo T2 Max all new edition. So 2023 variant. So on this side, kita natin lahat ng new specs dito. It has autofocus na wala siya sa previous variant. Then it has 3 watts na speaker, which is a lot louder now compared to the previous variant. And FHD na siya, no? Can support up to 1080p on display. And sabi na dito, low noise din siya. So meaning hindi siya maingay pag tumatakbo to while you're watching your favorite shows from this projector. So quickly bubuksan lang natin siya, no? So magbukas kita natin kanyang brand positioning and brand value. So we have styros and more packaging. And ito na, si Wanbo T2 Max. So nasa loob siya ng plastic. So all I need to do is just take it out. And this is it. The Wanbo T2 Max. So meron pa siya mga konting pa-sticker dito. Andiyan ang kanyang power cord, ang kanyang remote controller, ang kanyang remote control which is all new design, some silica gel, kanyang power brick, and ang kanyang user guide. So kita natin na this is ang kanyang lens, and dito sa ibabaw is ang kanyang power button. Then sa ilalim meron siya 4 na rubber bootings, and dito sa gitna pwede mong ikabit sa inyong favorite na tripod. And sa likod kita natin this is the audio jack, HDMI port, USB port, and of course andito ang kanyang power in. And dito sa likod kita natin this is the speaker grills. I believe this one is the exhaust, and there's another speaker grills dito sa harap. So tara, power up natin. So right now guys, naka-setup na tayo and nakakabit ang ating power dito sa likod. So right now guys, naka-setup na tayo, no, and nakakabit ang ating power dito sa likod. So we're much ready to turn on itong device natin, no, which is the Wanbo na T2 Max na improved version. So lalagay ko dito sa aking table, and this one will let it project dito sa ating screen. So using itong remote control niya, we'll power it up. So, pinit lang natin ng power. You will see the word Wanbo na nakaproject sa screen. So, yun ang boot up niya. So, it's also powered by Android. Ito natin. So, yan. What's nice din dito sa kanya is auto-calibrate din siya. No? So, kita natin sa screen, sarili siya mag-a-adjust accordingly dito sa, depende sa wall ninyo, no? And of course, depende sa surface niya. Kung hindi siya squalado, gagawin niya squalado, which is for me, probably one of the best feature na in-improve ni Wanbo dito sa kanyang T2 Max na improved version. Now, tingnan nyo ito guys, sasadyain ko tatabingin siya, and sarili siya magka-calibrate, mag-a-adjust siya. Ayan. Diba, kita na tabingin siya right now. Okay? So, hindi siya mangyayari, no, dito, but in a little while, pag na-detect niya, uy, parang tabingin tayo, makita mo, magka-calibrate ulit siya, then mag-a-adjust ulit siya sa sarili niya. No? Yeah, so right now, to give us a little better view, so inakat natin konti, no, itong T2 Max natin to give us a better viewing angle dito. Right now, I'll be turning off yung ilaw natin to give us a better view. Right now, papatayin ko lang yung ilaw natin dito sa studio to give us a better experience dito. Ayan, so makita natin, no. So right now, kita natin na this one is very nice ang kanyang resolution. So I believe, since I was able to use the earlier version ng T2 Max, this one has improved pagdating sa kanyang quality, no, ng pag-project sa screen, pag-project sa wall, no, and definitely there's some upgrades, and one of them is yung auto-calibrate niya, which is probably one of my I believe is one of the better na upgrade dito sa kanya. So, let's just quickly run down some apps na pwede natin makita dito. And looking down here, these videos, pasokan lang natin, no? There's a lot of genre dito sa gilid, sa videos. Pwede ka tumingin na news, music. You also have sports over here. Then, meron sa NBA app, no? Let's just quickly see ko, ano, NBA app na pinag-uusapan natin dito, no? So, I believe this is uh, a app na, well, kailangan mo pa siya i-download, no? So, we'll not be downloading it right now. Just skipping it first. So, ito naman mga ibang pre-installed app naman niya. You have your YouTube, Spotify, Facebook, Netflix, and Prime Video. Then, when you scroll down, there's a lot of them, like BBC News. You also have your Disney Plus, and pwede ka rin gumamit ng Google Chrome should you like it. Then, here are some global channels like HBO Max and Prime Videos. These are basically mga subscription-based na app na kailangan mo gamitin username and password mo para just be able to access them. So, here are some mga presets. No? So, pwede mo mapanood na mga trending na video. So, just simply select one. Panoodin na natin yung Death Battle. No? Just see. So, basically, magpo-port lang siya over sa YouTube. And, yan natin, no?
Wait, there's more! At the Jollibee Beach Mango 5, get every value meal for only 30 pesos.
This episode is sponsored by BetterHelp and HelloFresh. Killua Zolden, Hunter x Hunter's prodigious lightning assassin.
Misaka Mikoto, Academy City's ace electric princess.
Question: what is more terrifying than the all-powerful crackling light of lightning?
She's asking to get rid of the virtual magnetism, meaning it can be disrupted. Wait a minute. Distance, 35 meters. Altitude, 45, 40, left.
So guys, nakita na natin yung preview, no, what this thing can do. Yung sound niya has improved a lot, which is probably one of the best thing that can happen dito sa Wanbo T2 Max na 2023 edition. Dahil yung Wanbo T2 Max before is, I can say, mahina ang kanyang sound. Probably one of my complaints sa kanya. But this one, ang ganda nito, ang laki na improvement niya over sa kanyang past version. Just quickly watch a NBA Finals game dito para makita natin, no? So guys, right now, panoorin lang natin some NBA highlights, no, to end itong season ng NBA 2023. So, i-enjoy lang natin.
Percentage of the year, 15%. They got notches followed up. A finds Hardy with a terrific pass.
So, hindi lang naman video ang makita natin dito. There's also some music over here that you can choose. There's a lot of genre dito, from classic to pop to R&B, rap, and rock. And here are some of these songs na mga naka-preview dito sa kanya. And you can, well, pretty much explore everything dito. Just check some settings. Ito yung mga settings na pwede na kalikutin. No? So, network, from projector, input source natin, media center, then of course, pwede mo linis yung memory mo, language, and Bluetooth. Pwede ka mag-connect ng mga Bluetooth mouse mo and Bluetooth keyboard if you need it para medyo mas ma-enhance ko yung experience dito sa projector na ito. Now guys, what's my impression dito sa Wanbo T2 Max na 2023 edition? Now, I can say na itong bagong improved version na projector na itong Wanbo, I can really assure you na it has improved a lot. It's worth putting here inside your, well, basically office, your bedroom. You just simply take it anywhere. Maliit lang siya. It's very lightweight and it's easy to pack away. So, yeah, using this one is not really much of a problem since sobrang liit lang niya and plus ang kanyang remote is very friendly naman sa kanya. So, having one of this one investment dito sa inyong bahay is definitely a worth investment. So guys, if you are interested to know kung saan na pwede mabili ito, I'll be posting the link on the description box below for this Wanbo T2 Max na 2020 edition. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, hit yung bell icon para hindi mo miss mga future uploads here sa aking channel. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.